Hi everyone, welcome back to another fresh episode of Tech Logged In. In today's video, I will be showing you a basic guide, or you can say steps for video editing, that too for beginners. First of all, you need to have a good video editing software. So two video editing softwares that I personally like are Wondershare Filmora and Movavi Video Editor. So in this video, I will be using Movavi Video Editor. So the installation process of this video editor is very simple, so I am not going to show that. So to learn video editing, you need to watch the full video. Please do not skip this. So after you open the Movavi Video Editor, you have two options: new project and quick video. If you want to make a quick video that is for just 2 or 3 minutes or 1 minute, then you can use this option, quick video. Or you can use the new project to edit long files. So let's open the new project option, because in the new project option you will get all the features. So after that, let's understand the full interface of this video editor. On the top you have some options like file, edit, playback, settings, export and help. On the left hand side you have import option. Here you can add your video, audio and photo files that you want to edit. Next you have the filter option. You have several filter options that you can apply in your project. Next you have the transition option. Here you have many transition options that you can apply between your slides or between two video files. Next you have text option. Here you can get several text formats that you can apply in your video, like lower thirds or title or intros or just basic captions or subtitles. Next you have sticker option. You can drag and drop these stickers on your project. You have several sticker options available here. Next you have more option, which consists of callouts, pan and zoom, stabilization, chroma key. So in callouts, if you want to highlight something, then you can use these callouts, just like this. In pan and zoom, you can apply you can set a particular zoom option for a particular video file or a particular scene. Next you have stabilization. If your video is unstable, then you can use this option to stabilize a video. Please note that this stabilization option will not stabilize like a professional video, but it will do the job. Next you have chroma key. You can use this option to correct your color correction, etc. Towards the right side you have undo, redo option, delete option, cut option, that is split. Then you have rotate option, crop option, color adjustments, transition wizard, microphone, that is you can record your own audio while you are editing the video. Setting option, that is if you have a video file, you can see the video file's properties or you can edit them too. Then you have the audio properties. You can adjust the audio from here. Okay, so from here to here, from here to here, this is called the timeline. You have basic three options, that is title track, video and audio track. So whatever video, audio or photo file you select will be shown here and you can edit them here only. So this is the preview option. whatever you are going to edit, that is going to get previewed here. You can see the preview of the video file here. Down you can see the timer, previous, next, play. Here you have the aspect ratio option, which you can select 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 9:16, x:1. That is custom. You can select your custom resolution also. These two are full screen mode, and this is the volume controller. All these options are just for the preview player. You can zoom in and zoom out in the timeline using the scale option. So inside the import menu, you have different options like my files, sounds, music, sample video, background, and intro videos. You have background, you have sample videos. You can make your own intro like this. Our channel intro has been made from this. I have used this one for our channel intro, as you can see. So like this you can also make your own intro. So let's go to my files and import files that we want to edit.